Okay, now we're gonna take a look how to use Karvakamu pet hair removal tool. Here we have some pet hair, and first, if you want to, you may use few sprays of water to remove the electrostatic charge in the surfaces. And what you do with the Karvakamu is you place it in the surface and press it in a 45 degrees angle and remove short strikes like this. It will take off the hair, and if the short hair is stuck in the fabric, what you may need to do is to wipe it in different directions to get the hair loose and on top of the surface like this. That is how it goes. Easy and simple. And when you want to wash this, you just remove the blade from this holder and go under the faucet and clean it with the soap and water.